G'day, wildlife enthusiasts. Today, we're trading the rugged outback for the concrete jungle of New York City. But hold on, we're not venturing into the urban sprawl just yet. We're diving straight into the heart of Manhattan, into a sprawling expanse of green that is Central Park. Imagine this. Towering skyscrapers reaching for the clouds, their glass and steel reflecting the sunlight, and right in the middle of it all, a vibrant tapestry of nature unfolds. That's Central Park, a testament to the city's love for the great outdoors. This park is a sight to behold. It stretches for over 800 acres, a green oasis amidst the hustle and bustle. Walking through its winding paths, you'd almost forget you're in one of the busiest cities on Earth. You can hear the chirping of birds instead of car horns. The scent of fresh-cut grass replaces the city's exhaust fumes. It's a world away from the concrete jungle, yet right at its heart. Now let's head over to Bethesda Terrace, one of the park's most iconic landmarks. This architectural gem is a sight to behold. It's located right at the heart of the park, overlooking the beautiful Bethesda fountain. The terrace is renowned for its intricate carvings and sculptures. Each detail tells a story, showcasing the craftsmanship of a bygone era. As you walk through the arched passages, you can almost hear the echoes of history whispering through the stone. And then there's the Bethesda fountain, a masterpiece in itself. Its cascading waters create a soothing melody, a stark contrast to the city's usual cacophony. Next stop, Bow Bridge. This cast iron bridge, painted a pristine white, is an emblem of elegance and romance. It arches gracefully over the lake, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. As you stroll across the bridge, take a moment to soak in the scenery. Look out at the tranquil waters, reflecting the sky like a mirror. You might even spot a pair of swans gliding gracefully, their movements as elegant as the bridge itself. Bow Bridge is a place for quiet contemplation, a serene escape from the city's frenetic energy. It's no wonder it's a favourite spot for couples and photographers alike. Section 4. Strawberry Fields, a musical tribute. Our journey through Central Park wouldn't be complete without a visit to Strawberry Fields. This section of the park is dedicated to the memory of John Lennon, the legendary musician and peace advocate. At the heart of Strawberry Fields lies the iconic Imagine mosaic. This simple yet powerful tribute to Lennon's message of peace attracts visitors from all over the world. People from all walks of life gather here, united by the power of music and a shared hope for a better world. It's a place for reflection, remembrance, and a reminder of the power of peace and unity. Section 5, Central Park Zoo, a family adventure, calling all wildlife enthusiasts, young and old. Central Park Zoo is a must-visit. This compact yet diverse zoo offers a glimpse into the fascinating world of animals from around the globe. From playful penguins to majestic snow leopards, the zoo is home to a captivating array of creatures. You can watch sea lions frolic in their pool, marvel at the colourful plumage of exotic birds, or come face-to-face with a grizzly bear. The zoo is designed to be both entertaining and educational. Interactive exhibits and keeper talks provide fascinating insights into animal behaviour and conservation efforts. Section 6. Picnics and Sunsets, the simple joys of Central Park. As the day draws to a close, Central Park transforms into a magical setting. Families and friends gather on the sprawling lawns, laying out picnic blankets and enjoying the last rays of sunshine. The air is filled with the laughter of children playing frisbee. Couples stroll hand in hand, enjoying the romantic ambiance. The setting sun casts a warm glow over the park, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple. It's the perfect end to a day of exploration and discovery in New York City's green oasis. As the stars begin to twinkle above, we bid farewell to Central Park, carrying with us memories of its beauty, tranquility, and the reminder that even in the heart of a bustling metropolis, nature finds a way to thrive.